Tesla Model S Plaid, 1020 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds. Top speed, 200 miles per hour. The quickest production car on the planet. Powered by 3 electric motors, 1 in the front, 2 in the rear. The Plaid delivers instant torque and unmatched traction. The tri-motor setup uses carbon-sleeved rotors, allowing motors to spin at over 20,000 RPM without breaking apart. Range, around 396 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions. Charging from 10% to 80% takes about 30 minutes with Tesla's supercharger network. Weight, approximately 4,766 pounds. Despite its size, it corners like a sports car thanks to an adaptive air suspension that adjusts ride height and stiffness in real time. Inside, the Plaid comes with a 17-inch center touchscreen, yoke steering, 22-speaker audio system, heated and ventilated seats, and wireless gaming with a processor as powerful as a PlayStation 5. Track mode enables drivers to control torque distribution, regenerative braking, and stability settings. Carbon ceramic brakes are available for high-speed performance and heat management. Price starts at around $108,490 in the US, but with upgrades, it can exceed $140,000. For this, you're getting supercar-beating acceleration at a fraction of the price. The Tesla Model S Plaid is not just the fastest sedan ever made, it's one of the fastest cars in history. Electric, silent, and faster than most hypercars, it's redefining performance for the next generation of vehicles.